I started a baking business, and for a while, nobody knew about it. Not because I wasn't working, but because some things are meant to grow quietly first. It's literally been so long since I've picked up the camera for YouTube, and I love YouTube, so I hate that it's even been this long, but it is what it is. Well, you guys, I don't know, I just felt led to pick the camera up today. We've been in a transition season. I mean, this whole season is a transition season, but things have been changing, sprouting, growing. Started a baking business. It's called Lavender Lane. So of course, lavender are our colors, if you couldn't tell. And right now we have cookies and we have cinnamon rolls, and we make everything from scratch, and we've gotten really good feedback on the product. So I've just really been putting my energy right now into building out the back end of the business, which is so important, because during the holiday season I really got just engulfed in the actual baking, but there's so many other parts behind the scenes that really make it run seamlessly. And it's a lot of work, but it's so fulfilling and I love it. So I'm just taking this thing one day at a time, y'all. So good to talk. It's been forever, and I love talking to the camera. Like, I love it. So happy Friday, y'all. Today we are having Lavender Lane's first photo shoot, product photo shoot, founder photo shoot. We stopped and got us a little matcha because it's gonna be a little nice long day. Got our makeup done, and yeah, that's good. Let's go home and get things in order.
1,000 feet, continue straight to stay on Orange Avenue.
Got all the cookies packed up and organized, got the car packed up, and we're on our way to the shoot. So let's ride. We made it, finally got in.
See mom in the cut.
Mom in the cut, getting that work. See, I love that here. You on the job.
Yeah.
When I first imagined sharing the journey of building Lavender Lane on social media, I thought it would look very different. I thought I'd show every single moment as it was happening. The recipe testing, the messy kitchen days, the ideas scribbled in notebooks. But somewhere along the way, I realized something major about myself. The vision to life. Some seasons are meant to be documented, and some seasons are meant to be lived. I realized that some of my best ideas, my most creative ideas, come in the quiet place, the secret place. And don't get me wrong, I love sharing those ideas, getting feedback, hearing suggestions. But I've also learned that sometimes it's better to put the work in quietly behind the scenes and then present it to the world when the time is right. At its core, Lavender Lane is really about comfort, slowing down, creating something that feels warm, thoughtful, and meant to be enjoyed. Everything is made from scratch. Everything is baked in small batches. Everything is intentional. And there's no way I could build a company around those values without also building the foundation of the business that way too, especially while we're still in the early stages. Lavender Lane is still a baby. It's something that needs to be protected in certain seasons, nurtured and cared for before it's ready to be fully introduced to everyone. And I know you're sad, but don't get sad because this isn't the end. In fact, it's just the beginning. I can't wait to continue to share, one step at a time, the beautiful business that is Lavender Lane. Speech. Okay, thank you, ladies. Lavender Lane has officially wrapped up our first photo shoot, first of many. Thank you to our set assistant. Yes. Miss Vanessa. Hey. Yeah. We thank you to our photographer and creative director, Sierra.
Hold on.
Turn it around.
That's
our
me.
photographer, our videographer, and then hey,
your favorite baker.
Yeah, so we'll catch you guys next time. Today was just so good. Everything went so good. I love the shots we got. I love that I got some headshots. We are at In-N-Out now because, you know, it's been a hectic day and a girl is not about to cook. She's been baking, she's been shooting, mom's been working, like, no. So we're getting us some food. And then probably gonna relax. So yeah, I'm just checking in with y'all. What are you doing? Let me know what you had for dinner in the comments, because I got me a nice little cheeseburger situation and I'm about to tear it up. We're so glad you're here. Welcome to Lavender Lane.